Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I'm here to talk to you about commercial insurance property rates and how Elite Business Insurance can help save you money while covering you the best way possible. So at Elite Business Insurance, what we do is we take your information and we shop it around through all our hundreds and thousands of markets throughout the United States of America, and we find you the best coverages for the best price. So the way the commercial property works is it is all going to depend on where you're located, especially in the state of Florida. If you're closer to the water, of course, it's going to be a higher risk. You're more susceptible to claims due to wind, hurricane, hail, rain, debris just flying through the air. Anywhere by the coast is going to be more expensive than inland Florida. So now something else that's going to determine the price is the construction type. So if you have a wood frame building, it's going to obviously be less secure than a masonry, concrete, reinforced structure. If you have a comp shingle roof on your building as opposed to a steel roof or a metal roof or a concrete roof, then of course the comp shingle roof is going to be a weaker roof. So basically, depending on where your building is located, where your commercial property is located, the construction of it, when it was built, if there's been any updates, if you've had the roof replaced, if you've had the plumbing, the electrical, the AC, if you've had any of those replaced, all of these will impact the price of the insurance. So also, if you have an alarm system, if you have a central station fire and theft alarm system, you get a credit for that. If you have sprinklers in your building, depending on what kind of building you have, if it's got fire security where it's got sprinklers attached in case of a fire, then that's also going to give you a significant discount. So there's many factors that play a role. Now, commercial property is not just the building itself. You also cover the business personal property, so the contents in the building. So if you take the building, if you flip it upside down, anything that hits the ceiling is technically would be considered a personal property or contents. Now, you can break that down. Business personal property, you could have computer equipment, electronics. You could have contents, that inventory that are in your shop. You could also have customers' inventory. So if say you're fixing say your lawnmower repair company and you're fixing somebody's lawnmower and your building burns to the ground and that person's lawnmower that was worth a few $100s is now gone. There's coverages to protect you for that as well. When you do have customers' possessions, care, custody, and control coverage. So there's many different coverages associated with the commercial property, the building, the contents. There's also coverage for loss of income. So in the case that your building or your structure burns to the ground so you cannot continue to perform work, there's coverages that will reimburse you until your building gets up and running again. So commercial property is a very important policy, depending on what kind of business that you have, depending on what your assets are, what you own, whether the business, the contents, or what kind of insurance you're looking for. Elite Business Insurance can help you out in more ways than one. We could be your one-stop insurance shop. We write all lines of insurance. We could do your general liability, your commercial auto, your commercial property, any sort of bonds, any sort of equipment. We do homeowners, we do auto, we do flood. Anything you need, Elite Business Insurance can help you out. Like I said, we have access to thousands of markets, so just give us your information. We just have to take your name, address, business information, sales, and payroll numbers. And with that information, we can pretty much run you quotes for anything you need. So give us a call. It will only take 5 minutes of your time. We could save you hundreds, thousands of dollars, and we could become your one-stop shop. We will not let you down. Give us a call, 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.